Good afternoon, Fruit and Sport subscribers. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little update on how things are going here. Things are going well. I did a nice longevity workout this morning. I had a few days before today where I was so busy I couldn't work out. So I was very happy to get a workout in today. And I couldn't even get, a half an hour or even a 20-minute workout. I've been so busy around the yard and with different things with the house, maintaining. You know what that's like. There's always something to do. But anyway, so far today, a lot of orange juice, a lot of water. I've been hydrating a lot in the mornings and using some sugar. All right, just regular white sugar. It's actually the purest form of sugar you can get, and it's really not white. The sugar is really crystals, which you can see through, but it's like snow. Snowflakes are crystals, but they look white, and sugar looks white when there's thousands of them all together. But anyway, so yeah, I had probably at least like, I don't know how many ounces, a lot of water and OJ. I'd say at least a half gallon to a gallon, in between, probably 3/4 of a gallon of juice throughout the morning with the sugar added. And then for lunch, I had grapes. I had some nice organic red grapes, and I made a sauce for them with 5 bananas, a little carob, which is a good chocolate substitute, carob. It's tasty too, very nice. And I added a couple of tablespoons of sugar to that. So that was basically like my lunch. And right now it is almost 3 o'clock. I've got a tennis lesson at 3:30. 4:30, I'll be ready for dinner. I like to eat dinner early. But before I have dinner, I'll always have some fruit. I have mandarins in the house, I've got grapes, I've got pears, bananas, of course, are always there. So I'll have some fruit because I don't want to be craving sweets after dinner. Now, what will dinner be? It's always a salad. There's always greens involved in my dinners. So I got some nice spring mix, and I also have bok choy in my garden and some kale. I'd probably go with the bok choy over the kale. And, tomatoes, cucumbers. And then my wife and I, we've been cooking up different things like squash, butternut squash, eggplant, and then rice, of course, which sometimes we add some peas and corn to the rice, and that would be my dinner. So that's basically what I'm doing right now, and it seems to be working fine for me. And the big thing I've been trying to work on lately is getting better sleep. So I've started to go to bed a little bit later, because sometimes if I go too early, like 8 or 8:30, I don't really sleep that well, so I'm trying to stay up a little longer. I'm drinking everything, I'm trying to drink everything before, say, 12 noon or 1 p.m., so I've got that stretch where I haven't been drinking. So if I finish drinking by, let's say, 1 p.m., and I go to bed at, let's say, 10 o'clock, I've got that nice 9 hours of not having fluids. Now, my the fruit that I eat has water, so does the salad, the tomatoes, the cucumbers. But still, and for me, if I got up once a night, you know, or maybe even twice, I can live with that because I'll get, you know, at least maybe 4 or 5 straight hours of sleep. But if I have to get up, you know, 3, 4, 5 times, it really hurts your sleep. It does, and you don't wake up as refreshed. So that's my goal right now, to work on the sleep. I'll keep you posted, and please give me a like, a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate your support and your kind words and your comments. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All the best, and as usual, fruit up. Fruit, #1 on planet Earth. #1 food. We are designed to be frugivores. Take care.